Hello and welcome to Trading 5 Talents. In this video, I just want to give a quick update to an automation that I added to my live Ironfly trading bot over on Option Alpha. And so you could see right here the dashboard of my Flybrid bot. If you go to, or if I go to the settings, I added this monitor right here, this new automation. It's called Remove Overnight Risk. And so if you take a look inside, what you can see is that for every iron butterfly position, which would be all of them, and the switch is turned on, and I'll show you where that switch is in just a second. This is what's going to happen. After 3:15 p.m. Eastern Time, if the position premium or if the position is in profit by this overnight risk profit input, then it's going to close that position. And so you can change those inputs over here. And right now that is set to 45%. So why I am doing this is because of this reason right here. So I had this position. It's going to expire on May 18th, which is just a few days from now. You could see my profit taken is set to 50%, but by around 2:30, this was up over 45%. So I just had 5% more to go in order to close this position. But I wasn't sure if it was going to get to that 50% by the end of the day. And so what I wanted to do is, instead of just holding out for that last 5% and risk a gap up or gap down tomorrow, and now I'm not going to be able to get the 50% by the following day, I wanted to lock in all of that profit. So at least 45% of that profit. So that's why I made this automation and I put it into this bot. So if it's after 3:15 p.m., if my position is over 45%, then it's going to close this position, and therefore I don't have that overnight risk for this particular position. So that's what happened today. So I got 47%, so just 3% shy of what my actual goal was. So I think I'm fine with that. But if you want to add this into your live bot, what you can do over in the community right here under Daily Ironfly Bot, you can just search for Trading 5 Talents and look for the blue icon. All the way at the bottom, I had this post right here from earlier today in which I explained what I wanted to do and how I made it. But you can download this automation. And it's just right here, the same thing that I just showed you. And so once you have it downloaded into your automation folder, you can go back to your bots, go to settings, and then you add the automation. And the automation you want to add is the one that right here, the one that I just say, remove overnight risk. You add it to your automation. The schedule is a monitor. So it runs every 15 minutes for all your open positions. And then you save it. And then it's right here. You just want to make sure that with your inputs, and you can do that with this gear icon or the bot level inputs, that everything is set to what you want. And really, there's only two things that I have set. And so I have them as bot level inputs. So if you just click on the pencil icon, and they're right here, my overnight risk profit. So once it reaches 45%, that's when I want this to activate. And then I just turn the switch to on. The default is off. So if you don't want it to run, then you don't have to do anything. But if you do want it to run, you have to actually turn that on and then click on, save, and then it's ready to go. So you can either add it from the automation that I showed you, or I've updated the actual template. So back over here, you could see version 14 added the reduce overnight risk automation switch, and the default is off, and that is down here, version 14 right there. So in any case, if that is of interest to you, it is there. But if you have any questions, just let me know, and I'll try to answer them as soon as I can. Till next time, trade wisely and take care.